Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Snehal and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and beauty. So as the title suggests, you all know what we are going to do in today's video. It is going to be a haul video. Super excited, right? So let's just not waste time and let's just jump into the video right away. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. We are soon going to hit 1000 subscribers and I need your support in that. So please hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's just get started now. So before beginning the video, guys, I am going to mention everything on the screen somewhere, the discounted price of the product. So without any further ado, let's just get started with the first product. And this is the toner by Dermafic. It's called their all important skin toner. It is the clarifying toner that cleanses pores, restores skin's pH balance and purifies skin to make it just smooth and radiant. So this was suggested by one of my favorite beauty guru, that is Shreya Jain, and I really love her videos. I follow her all the time and her recommendations are really good. So on her recommendation I have got this. I actually wanted to get a good toner and this was also on discount. This was on 10% or 15% discount. I'll mention it, guys, don't worry. So I am going to apply it first on my face. I just love this bottle. It is so classy. This toner smells so good, and unlike any other toner, it has made my skin very moisturized. It has not left my skin dry and stretched. So I really like this. Highly recommend this one. Next I have ordered two moisturizers. One is by Pond's and one is by Simple. So we'll just see one by one. So this is the Simple Hydrating Light Moisturizer and I have already used their Replenishing Rich Moisturizer and it's amazing, guys. It's one of my favorite moisturizer. So I'm just going to show you the bottle. It looks like this and it comes with a very easy cap. So I'll just show you the consistency of this one on one side of my face. It just absorbs, it gets absorbed into your skin very quickly and leaves your skin very hydrated. The next moisturizer is Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer. This is for non-sticky glowing skin with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. And I'm just going to open it now and see the consistency of it, and you can see it's loaded with hydration. It is so moisturizing. I'm just going to take that much of amount and put it on this side of my face. Oh, it feels so nice on the skin. It immediately gets absorbed and leaves your skin feeling so fresh. This is so hydrating, guys. So good. Definitely give it a try. I highly recommend this moisturizer, guys. Do definitely give this a try. This is super hydrating product, guys. I mean, the dry skin beauties and even oily skin people can go for this one because it is in the gel form and it is so hydrating and so moisturizing. Definitely a must buy. My next recommendation is the primer by Nykaa. It's their Prep Me Up primer and it's a silicone based primer. Very good, very beginner friendly primer. Do definitely give this a try. Again, this is also on discount, so definitely add it to your vanity. So my next recommendation is my favorite concealer by MAC. It's their Studio Fix concealer and it's in the shade NC45, and they also get it in a stick form now, so you can purchase that. And there is an offer also on MAC. If you purchase for 2500 and above, you get a full size lipstick or eye product free. So do definitely give this a try. It's a holy grail product, guys. It is so full coverage and so good. So next recommendation is a foundation by L'Oreal Paris. It's their Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. Guys, this is such a good product at that price, and again it is on discount. So this comes around 500 or 550 and it is a steal deal, guys. Do definitely give this foundation a try. This has totally changed my makeup game. I used to always use MAC foundation, but you know that MAC costs you a bomb, and this you get the same finish, the same full coverage in that price. So definitely give this a try. Beginners, this is your holy grail product. You have to have this in your vanity. Next product is another concealer. This is by LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer, and it is so good and so full coverage and so easy to blend and apply. It comes with an applicator. I like to have a backup of this product always. I can't run out of this product because I can't do without this product. So it comes with an applicator like this, and I like to highlight my under eye area with this product. So highly recommend this, guys. Do definitely give this a try. So next is this compact by Maybelline. It's their Fit Me compact, and it's in the shade Sun Beige 310. So I really wanted to get a good compact powder. I was earlier using Maybelline's Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and it is a bomb product, guys. I love that product. It is so nice and translucent, and it has a good coverage also. It gives you a good coverage, so you can just apply that powder and without the foundation on for your daily routine, and you'll be good to go. I love the whole packaging of this. It comes with a nice small mirror also, and the sponge to apply the applicator. This is so good and very handy and very travel friendly packaging, so I really like this one. I'll quickly swatch it on my hand for you guys. So this is in the shade Sun Beige. See, it's kind of my perfect shade, so I'm really happy with the coverage also. It's quite full coverage. So I'm just going to conceal my under eye area. Wherever I have applied concealer, I'm going to apply this. You should definitely have a good compact powder in your vanity, because when you're not in the mood to do the full blown makeup, you can just apply some compact and mascara and your favorite shade of lipstick, and you'll be good to go. You'll look more put together. So definitely go for this compact. This is such a good product, guys. This is quite full coverage and very easy to blend, so I highly recommend this one to beginners. Do definitely give this a try. This was just for 338 rupees, I guess. I'm going to mention it on the screen because I don't remember the prices of everything. I've ordered a lot, so do definitely check out my description box also, or you'll find the price on the screen as well. So the next product that I have ordered is an eyebrow product. Actually, I have ordered 2 eyebrow products, but only one has reached me. I am still waiting for the another one. So this is the Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. I already have finished my previous one, and another one I had ordered, the Benefit Goof Proof eyebrow pencil. I wanted to try that because I haven't tried it, but unfortunately it has not reached me yet. So but I wanted to do this haul video very quickly, because then I wanted to post this before the sale gets over. So this is a very good pencil for beginners, and it is so affordable, guys. I got it only for 100 rupees. Can you believe that? Just for 100 rupees, and this is so good for beginners, and you don't need any other eye product if you invest in this one if you are a beginner.
So I'm quickly going to do my eyebrows with this.
So I've just quickly applied some eyeshadow also on my eyes, and I'm going to show you the next product, and that is this Maybelline's Colossal Liner. It is my cult favorite product, guys. I don't remember how many I have purchased, and I have lost the count now, but this is such a good eyeliner. I mean, it is so fine. You can easily create winged eyeliner, cat eyeliner, all kind of eyeliners you can create with this. You can create all kind of eye looks with this. I am totally in love with this one. I will always repurchase this one, and I highly recommend it, guys. My next product recommendation is this Kajal by Plum Nature Studio. This is so good and it doesn't irritate your eyes. It is so black, you know, like deepest black you'll have, and very easy to apply. It glides on your eyes so smoothly. So definitely give this a try, guys. It is a must have. Then next I have ordered these eye pencils, two eye pencils. One is by Nykaa and another one is by Color Bar, and actually I ended up ordering the same color. I don't know how come I did that, but these both are the same color and both are also equally priced, I guess. I'll mention it in the description box. So okay, so this is the Color Bar one and this is the Nykaa one, and I'm going to show you the swatches of both. So I'll first show you the swatch of Nykaa on my hand, and see how smoothly it glides, and this color is so pretty. And this is the Color Bar one. See, both the colors are so similar. So on one I am going to apply the Color Bar one, and on the other I am going to apply the Nykaa one, and we'll see the results. So this one is a Color Bar one I'm applying on my right side eye. So I'm just going to apply it on my waterline. Oh my god, look at that pigment, guys, and it glides so smoothly. I'm totally in love with this. This is so amazing to create your dramatic eye looks. And on this side of an eye, I am going to apply the Nykaa one. Wow. This is amazing. But I think if you ask me, I'll go for the Color Bar one because it glided, like, you know, in one single stroke. So I had to reapply the Nykaa one. This is also smooth, but I had to reapply it multiple times. The Color Bar one, I just needed just one stroke and it was done. So I definitely will go for the Color Bar one. So highly recommend the Color Bar one in these two. And let's see whether it smudges or not. So it's totally smudge proof, guys. See? So the next product is a mascara, and this is the Total Temptation mascara by Maybelline. I love Maybelline mascaras. I mean, Maybelline knows their mascaras and they're always on point, and I have used the Colossal one, and their Falsy Push-Up Drama is my most favorite mascara. So I wanted to give a try to another variant. So this is the one. It looks like this. Look at that gorgeousness. It is so good, and I like the wand of this also. So let's try it out. Oh my god, you see that difference? It has instantly lifted my lashes. It looks like I have applied falsies on my this side of an eye, and look at this. It is amazing, amazing. So my next product recommendation is a bronzer, and it is by Milani. It is their Silky Matte Bronzing Powder, and it's in the shade Sun Drenched 04. Guys, this bronzer is so pigmented and it's a beauty. I love the whole packaging. It looks so nice and so classy, and it's highly pigmented bronzer, and it blends like butter. You don't need any skills to blend this bronzer. It's so good. Make sure that you tap the extra product because it is highly pigmented. You see that pigment? I was super excited to try this next product. It's the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter. Look at that gorgeousness, guys. I love it. So this is in the shade 100 Molten Gold, and I'm just going to open it and see how it works. I'm super excited to try this because I have heard really good reviews about this one, and I love Maybelline as a brand. So let's see how it works. Oh my god, it's blinding. Look at that glow. This is so beautiful. Oh god. This is such a beautiful highlighter, man, and it is blending so beautifully. It's perfect for all Indian skin tones, and you know, like, it is so good. I love the color. It is not that chalky silver or, you know, totally flashy gold. It's a very subtle, nice, you know, rose gold, goldish tone, and I love that about this color. This will suit all kind of your looks. So I highly recommend this. Guys, go grab this. This is a must have. And next I have ordered this lip pencil. It's by NYX Professional and it's in the shade Montreal. So I generally don't use lip liners, but I thought I should start using because it makes your lips look fuller. So if you want to go for fuller lips in your look, so you should definitely go for lip liner before applying the lipstick. So I'm just going to open it and see how it works. So it looks like this. I really love the packaging. And we are just going to apply this now. This is a gorgeous color, guys. I mean, look at that. You don't need to apply lipstick also. You can just apply this as a matte lipstick and you'll be good to go. I love this color. I love these kind of mauve colors. So highly recommend this particular shade in this lip liner. Do give it a try, and it's super pigmented and it's very comfortable formula on the lips. So highly recommend this one. Next I have ordered these two lipsticks by Maybelline. It's their Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick, and I had already used their one of the shade called Best Babe, and it's the most amazing lipstick I have ever used, liquid lipstick, and the formula is so good and it is so affordable, guys. This comes for only $3.49 and this is also on discount, so it was somewhere around 297 rupees I guess, and that is really a steal deal for this good quality lipsticks. So definitely give these lipsticks a try, and they have a huge shade range, so you can choose your favorite shade.
I love opening new makeup so much. It's the happiness.
So these are the two gorgeous shades I have ordered, and this one is Flush It Red and this one is Sensationally Me. So I'm going to just swatch it on my hand for you guys. So I'm going to swatch this one first. I love the formula of this one and this shade looks so promising to me. Okay, so I'm just going to swatch it here. Oh my god, look at that pigment and that shade. It's such a gorgeous shade. I love it. And the next shade is Sensationally Me. Let's see how that is. So here I'm swatching Sensationally Me. Wow, I love both the shades and this formula is so good, so good. So for now I'm going to apply Sensationally Me on my lips and show you how it looks.
Gorgeous. The shade is so gorgeous. I love it.
I'm quickly going to show you how transfer proof it is. You see? It's a very nice lipstick and a must buy for all the beginners because it is so affordable and the formula is so good and it is so comfortable on the lips. Only if you eat some oily food it will transfer a bit, otherwise you're good to go for the whole day with this lipstick. So definitely highly recommend this one guys, go grab it. I almost completed my whole makeup look only with my purchase. Oh my god. So let's move on, and I have got some skincare products also. I have ordered some skincare, some hair care products that I want to share with you guys and recommend you guys. So first one is this Dove Deo, and I have ordered 2 of these. I always like to have this in stock, and this was also on discount. It is very difficult to find these ones actually. I don't find it anywhere. On Amazon it is a little pricey. I don't know why. So on Nykaa I found it. I highly recommend this to everyone. This is a very nice, and if you have some skin allergies or like you have a sensitive skin like me, so definitely give this a try. Next I have restocked my another favorite. This is the Simple Micellar Cleansing Wipes, and I love these. I can't live without these. These are my holy grail and I just can't live without this. I have to have this in stock always. So next I have ordered these lashes from PAC, and it's in the number 53. So these are so natural and so good quality lashes. I really like these. I generally don't use lashes because my natural lashes are very long, so I don't really need to use lashes. But lot of you guys have requested me to make a video on how to apply lashes the right way, so for that I have ordered these ones. And I have also ordered the Miss Claire lash glue, and this is in the dark tone and it's a waterproof one. So I have not used it before. This is the first time I'm using it, so I'll come with a review of this one in that video, so can't say much about, but this is a good quality lash, so you can definitely give this a try. Definitely highly recommend this one. Next I have ordered these 2 products by Mamaearth, and I have heard really good reviews about this brand and particularly these 2 products. So let's talk about this one. This is the Mamaearth Bye Bye Dark Circles Eye Cream, and it is like this. It comes in a tube form like this, and this was also on discount, and they had an offer going on. If you purchase about $5.99 I guess, you get a moisturizer free. So this is their oil free face moisturizer that I have got free with these 2 products. So, and another product is the onion hair mask, and this is for preventing the hair fall. Lately I have been having a little bit of hair fall because of the monsoon or the weather, whatnot, I don't know. So I ordered for this one. I have not used it before, so I'll again come with the review of these 2 products in my another video. So but you can give it a try because I have heard really good reviews about this product, so do give it a try guys. Then next I have ordered this Kama Ayurveda's Bringadi Intensive Hair Treatment Oil, again for the hair fall, because lately I have been having hair fall and I am like so paranoid with the amount of hair I'm losing, so I had to do something about it. So that's the reason I have ordered these 2 hair products, and I'm going to come up with a review of these 2 products very soon. So definitely wait for that video, and I'll be back with the review video of these 2 products soon. And I have got this Pure Rose Water Miniature free with this product. So that was the offer with this product. It was not on discount, but I got this one as a sample product, so I can use it and I can make my mind if I want to go for this product in a full size. So I have ordered few more products, but they have not reached me yet, but I wanted to recommend those to you guys. So the first product is Etude House Dear Darling Water Gel Tint, and it's in the shade RD307. I have ordered and I got 10% discount on that, so it was for $450, so I got it for $405. So you can give it a try. It's a very nice lip tint that you can use it as a blush also, so do definitely give this a try. And the next product that I have ordered is by Benefit Cosmetics, and it's the eyebrow pencil, their iconic eyebrow pencil. I really wanted to try that, so that is the Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow Eyebrow Pencil. So it is an iconic eyebrow pencil and very cult favorite of all the makeup lovers, and it is on discount guys. It is on 30% off, so if you want to try that out, this is the best chance. So do give it a try guys. I highly recommend it to you. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you liked watching this video and this video of mine helped you. Do let me know in the comments down below, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. We are soon going to hit 1000 subscribers and I need your support in that. So please hit that subscribe button. It's for free. So with that, I end my video here and I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.